Hello and thank you for dropping in. Today we're doing a PS5 back USB port replacement. As per usual, I already cleaned out the rest, but this is really the main part that was surprisingly the most dirty. We got some real bad liquid metal displacement. Yeah, it doesn't do justice really, but bottom left, upper left. I got a first and it's not good. You can see in the upper right, it looks like a smudge. Those black marks are like burned onto the chip. And then on the heatsink over here, in the corresponding spot, we have some black stuff, again just burned into it. So I'm gonna do what I can, but I don't know if it's gonna help that. And then I'll take care of the thing that I was hired to take care of as well. I'm gonna do everything I can to not bump the camera. If I do, I'm really sorry. Just gotta solder her into place. Can you tell which one was replaced? Alright, top right port. And we're charging in it. Everything's good. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, as well as smash that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.